Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Shark gaming tablet, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Wallpaper. So here we've got two sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So photos, which are provided by Google, and basically those are your own photos which are backed up, and wallpapers and style, where we've got pre-installed wallpapers. So let me choose this one. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So just tap on change wallpaper here. Hello. Okay. Let's go to on-device wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. Most are, well, they are robotic. So let me pick, I don't know, maybe this one. So just tap on the wallpaper if you want to apply it, and as you can see, it will appear on those previews, and if you want you can tap and edit the photo. So here you've got the instructions. You can adjust the scale, so just like zoom it in or out. You can also change the position of it if you want to, just like that, for example, and thanks to it you can decide how you want to, show it. So just tap on the tick icon if you're ready, if you're happy with the results, and tap on set wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. Just tap on the specific option if you want to use it. I will choose both are marked, and tap on set. Okay, now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.